And yet, for another day, interest rates remain near 3-year lows. What's going on, y'all? My name is Kevin Weedmark, aka the Mortgage Mouth, coming to you. Another episode of the Daily Dose, making sure you get a quick update of what happened in the marketplace today, what happened with interest rates, and what we can possibly expect the next couple of days. So, once again, we have a government shutdown. There's no data coming out. So, what do traders have to digest? Well, they have the ongoing fear of the trade war upcoming potentially with China. So that is weighing on traders. We're seeing the Dow down today over 300 points. And the other thing we're seeing is corporate earnings. I've talked about this before. Traders, once again, they don't have a lot to go off of. There's no non-farm payroll. There's no inflation data. So they're going to start looking at corporate earnings, and they have been coming in under par. Just look at Netflix. And the reason that Netflix weighs so heavily is because that is everyday America. It's people just laying on their couches, sitting in their bed, watching TV. And if they're missing earnings, that is signaling a major problem in the economy. Consumers are pulling back, which means the labor market's pulling back, which means unemployment might be going up, which means we're already sticky with inflation. So that's what we're seeing. We're seeing the safe haven of treasuries win the day. However, I will say it could be short lived. Whenever that government shutdown is over, I expect a huge surge in interest rates. And what do I mean by that? Probably a quarter point. And the other thing I would be careful about is Friday, they are going to release the September CPI report. The Bureau of Labor Statistics said that they are going to do that on Friday. That could be something that weighs very heavily on the market. So, what you want to do is make sure you're taking advantage of these valleys, or at the very least, make sure you're in a position to react quickly to any changes in the marketplace. And what do I mean by that? Make sure that you're pre-approved. Make sure that all your information is into your mortgage professional, and make sure that you have gone over numbers that you are comfortable with so they can lock on a moment's notice if necessary. That's all I got for you today. This non-data, there's not much to talk about other than the growing fear of uncertainty. And the longer this lasts, I think the more that you're going to see interest rates just trickle, trickle, trickle. So we're in a floating pattern until we get data that we need to move quick. All right, y'all. Have a good evening. Coming to you tomorrow, another episode. Cheers.